So what have we got here, Robbie? We've got
So
the
this
new-
is,
the new
the
snake.
1 ounce, I think it's 1 ounce snake.
1 ounce silver coin snake. Soon to be released.
Soon to
Next
be
week,
released.
in fact.
Yeah, beautiful product. And the snake, I think its scales really glisten and it just stands out off the coin.
It does.
It really looks alive.
Every year we see the Lunar Series come out. Everyone comments on the quality of the artwork, quality of the coin. So, and this one speaks very highly of that too.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah, so even that one or the teal coloured one is also really pretty, but even just plain ones.
Oh, absolutely.
Fantastic, I think.
Yeah, there's a little wonder why a lot of people collect them every year, right?
Yeah, I think they're terrific.
So,
They just do a fantastic job upstairs, the designers. They're
and the designers upstairs, Robbie, been doing it for a long time, or we got new people designing?
Yeah, I think you've got a mix of both. I think you've got sometimes some new people bring in sort of fresh ideas and talent, and you've got people who've been there a long time that just really understand coin designs in the world. So it's a nice mix of people that just keep coming up with really creative concepts and beautiful designs.